You're a multi-year bull, and you're saying at the moment that the bull run can continue for another 10 years, and valuations are reasonable given the potential of India, or corporate India, I should say. Let's give us your thinking here.
See, India always had the inherent skills to have growth. I now think there is a confluence of factors, steps taken during the last 8-10 years, the fresh steps the government is taking, which is leading the way to India having double-digit economic growth. That is the crux of my prediction of a 10-year, 15-year, 20-year-old bull market. Second, I think, in the last month, the foreign have been selling, but the market has been going up. So I think if you think, if India's economy is to be 5 trillion, we'll have $1.75 trillion of savings. We have set up the infrastructure for funneling these savings into equity markets and other financial instruments. Third, as far as current valuations go, see, nothing is linear in life. Markets may correct at some point, but I don't think markets can reverse. So I think this is a very, very broad basis of my bullish thinking.
Rakesh, I just wanted to ask you about specifically what we've been seeing in the sell-off in Chinese equities and whether or not that could provide a buying opportunity for India.
Ma'am, good luck to everybody. I've learned in life, it's important what I buy. It's more important what price I buy. And at this incredible valuations, I have no interest.
Rakesh, I want to just move to some of these reports out there at the moment that you are exploring a new airline venture in the country. Are you?
Yes, I am. We have done the kickoff meetings at partly. Hope to have it running by April.
So what sort of airline are we talking about, and what's motivated you to do so? Because, I mean, they say that the best way to become a millionaire is to be a billionaire and start an airline.
See, when I first came to the stock market in 1985, they said the best way to get bankrupt is to go to the stock market. And by God's grace, that's proven wrong. Now, we are having an ultra low-cost airline. I have got some of the best airline people in the world as my partners. Someone who was number 2 or 3 in Delta, someone who headed Indigo in India for 14 years. And we are thinking of making a very ultra low-cost airlines. And I've got a very good technical team. I've incentivized them in a way you will not believe. And, everything depends on the culture of the company. For the culture of a company to be frugal, you have to start off fresh. And I believe I want to earn well with the effort of others. So you have to incentivize, empower, delegate, respect. And I am
Rakesh,
very, very bullish on the Indian aviation sector in terms of demand. And I think some of the incumbent players may not recover. I don't know whether they will not. And therefore,
so, Rakesh, I want to get a sense here of what sort of airline are you looking at? Are you already talking to plane makers, and how much are you investing in it, and with whom?
Well, I'm personally investing about $35 million, but we have a plan of 70 aircraft.